Here's a 2015 BMW 5 Series. Thrilling performance, relaxing luxury. It's everything in perfect harmony. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, power telescoping steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive explain the modular BMW interior, much of which finds its way into models from the top of the line to the bottom, is handsome and contemporary. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We put the customer first at Nissan 24 and will work hard to help you find the perfect vehicle. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1016 Belmont Street in Brockton.